A culture of innovation is alive and well at UDOT, and we want to hear about what you and your team is doing to save time, money, and help make your work better. You can learn about ideas and innovations in the Ideas portal. This video series will highlight some of the recent innovations and help encourage others to share ideas too.
The big issue that we have is in order to stand this pole back up, we have to use a crane because of the weight of it and the safety of it. In order to get it stood up, we pretty much neither have to have a crane or somebody has to stand on the wall, which is generally about 4 feet off the ground. So we come up with a way that you could actually do this without using a crane. We use a winch on the front of the truck. How this works is it's an old saddle that we had cut down so it still fits on the walls. You can actually take the back bolt off that bracket. You set this, which we call the saddle lift. You'll set this over the back bolt, the opposite of which way the sign's laying. You'll reattach that bolt. Now this 2 units actually become 1 unit. And then what we've done is we've taken a bracket. We built this bracket, which you can open up and clamp over the round or square pole. The square post in the center, you can open this up, slide it over the pole, close it up, lock it up. This way, the pole can't come out of this bracket, so it's safe. You don't have to worry about it coming loose when you're moving it around. There's a anchor bolt on top here so it doesn't slide, so you can wedge it onto the pole. This cable here, it's 3 feet of cable, actually goes through the 2 rollers. When we hook our winch to this side, we can get different angles to it. It doesn't matter how close we get to it. We don't have to be right on it. We can be back a ways. Your winch can pull on a diagonal angle, up, down, sideways, whichever direction you need. As it pulls up, it'll stop it. It'll keep it from going past the threshold to falling on the other side. That way it's safe. It doesn't fall back over. It can't fall forward on you. We built it here in the shop. We drew up the plans and stuff. Total unit cost us about $1,800 total with our labor in it, right? With all the materials that we had to buy for it. So before, when we were using a crane, for us to go do it, take about 2 hours to do everything. And this is with 3 employees, a bucket truck for 2 hours cost, a trash truck, a tonner, and a service truck. Our total cost on that is about $890, right around $900 to do this. Now, when we go out and stand it up, we use 3 guys. We can use a trash truck and a pickup truck. Our total cost is about $69. It's eliminated the use of bucket trucks. If we use a bucket truck with a crane, we have to have somebody certified with a crane. In doing this process, you can do all the work from the emergency lane. Any pickup truck that has a receiver on it can be used with this unit to lift these signs up. Doing this, you can do it all from the ground. You don't have to get anybody on the opposite side of traffic to do it. And you don't have to, nobody's got to be on that wall.
Finding new and better ways to get things done is what the UDOT Innovation Program is all about. If you would like to learn more about innovative ideas, please visit the Ideas portal, which is a part of the UDOT Learning Portal. You can find ideas submitted by others, and you could submit your own. You can also contact any member of the UDOT Innovation Council for assistance. Thanks for innovating, and thanks for helping to keep Utah moving.